Hey friends, Arree Chung here, children's book author, illustrator, and creative entrepreneur. And don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button so that way you'll get notified for future videos.
So for the motorcycle, the big shape is this. Right, is this big box. So I would draw that big box first. Next, I would draw circle, circle. So this is our big, this is our middle, this is our middle, and this is, these lines are our details. So, and then you have this curve, right? So then for the seat, I would draw the seat like that.
Horse seats.
And then you can cut this in. So the body is here, right? So the formula is this rectangle, circle, circle, your line for the handlebar, and then you can add details like the mirrors and whatnot. You can add seats.
The mirrors.
Right. So that's basically how you draw a motorcycle. For the bike, it's actually the same. So the bike here, this is the box. You see the box right there? So draw the box first, which is the frame. And it's easier to draw a box than try to draw this other stuff first. So you draw the box, then you draw the wheels. You have to draw the wheels the same size. I did not do a good job there. Okay. And then from the center, and so how do you find the center? Remember, you do the X. From the center, then you draw the handles. And then you draw, down here, you draw the pedal. And then you draw the line up here. You draw the circle for the seat. And then draw this triangle here. And then you have this triangle here. And that's it. But the formula is the same. It's basically the box and the wheels. And then from the wheels, you draw the handlebar. And then everything else you can calculate inside.
Now, if you like that video, make sure you hit the like button to help us grow the YouTube channel, and hit the subscribe button to make sure that you get notified for future videos. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.